shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. Yahuah is my shepherd, I shall not want. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Yahuah is my shepherd, I shall not want. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. Yahuah is my shepherd, I shall not want. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Yahuah is my shepherd, I shall not want. Goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of Yahuah. Yahuah is my shepherd, I shall not want.